Hey, what's up everyone? Today we'll be doing a video on cleaning tips to keep your vehicle looking, pretty clean, looking nice. We have right here an '05 Crown Victoria. If you've been watching any of my other videos, you know what kind of car it is, so you know the details. But today we're talking about just keeping pretty much any vehicle clean. Now the paint on this vehicle is not the best, well, not in the best shape, but I still like to keep it clean so it don't look rough going down the road. So those little scars and stuff like that. I don't care for the black paint, but that's what it came with, so I have to maintain that. So first tip on keeping your car clean, want to keep it washed. I mean, it's just simple as that. To me, I would say at least once a week if possible. You know, a lot of people might be busy or whatnot, but if you can at least get it clean once a week, that'll definitely help keep a lot of dirt off. What happens is, if you start leaving the dirt on there a long time, it starts to stick to the car and it's a lot harder to clean it off. Even if you go through the automatic car wash, they don't get everything off. So, you know, you have to scrub, use a lot of elbow grease to get all that excess dirt off. So that's why I say at least once a week it'll make your cleaning a lot easier. So that's the first tip. Now, if you wash your own car, you know to start with the wheels first and work your way up. It helps prevent scratches from mixing the car, mixing the soap and water with the wheels and then onto the body. So start your wheels first, and then when you're ready to wash the body, start with a clean bucket and start cleaning the body. Next tip, keeping the car clean, is the interior. You want to make sure that you keep your interior brushed out from time to time. If you waste anything like juice or whatever, go ahead and clean that up. Don't let it sit too long. Have to work on the interior on this a little bit, still a little dirty, but for the most part I try to keep it clean. And see, yeah, a little cleaning to do in here, vacuuming out. But as you see, for the most part I try to keep it wiped down. So once you get done washing your car, you can get your nice clean rag and just go over the interior real quick. The dashboard, the steering wheel, things you might touch a lot, like door handles and stuff like that. Just wipe it down every time you wash the car. And that'll keep a lot of dirt from building up and keep that color looking pretty good. Because a lot of times it start, like you notice right there, I got to clean right here. But a lot of times that handle and stuff will start getting dark the more you touch it. So keep that clean. Third tip, do the door jambs. Right in here. Notice how you got right in there. Once in a while, once a month or so, just clean right through the doors, right straight down. Keep that dirt from building up. Now, as far as wheels, normal washing, I usually shine the tires, but we still have a lot of ice on the ground, so I'm gonna wait before putting the shine on the tires, because I still have to drive and I don't want any sand and stuff to start sticking to the tires. And then plus, I washed this car myself, but I will be taking it through the automatic because I need the undercarriage sprayed off. Like I said, due to the salt, we had snow and they put a lot of stuff down the road. You want to keep your car from rusting out, so if you only get snow every now and then it's best to take it to the automatic car wash, or you can do it yourself and spray that bottom off to make sure that salt and grime and stuff doesn't stick to the car and start making it rust out. So we definitely want to do that. Other than that, like I said, just basic tips, man. Just keep your car looking good. Now also, the paint on this hood is, I don't know if you guys can really see it or not, but kind of faded. So I added a little shine to it, best I could, to give it a nice gloss. That's why the bumper has a nice gloss to it. I added the shine to that. Give it that nice gloss, and that way make the paint, give it a shine, basically. Gotta do the trunk, do that next. These are just some helpful tips on windows. Make sure you keep those clean. Windshield. A lot of people probably don't clean the windshield. Clean it, Windex or whatever type of solution you want to use. You can if you're using a solution, you can use newspaper. Believe it or not, newspaper help get all those streaks out. Won't leave any residue on the window. So you can definitely use newspaper. Or you can use some brown paper towels or something like that. White paper towels usually leave like residue pieces be left over, so I don't use those. But yeah. Alright, so that's it for the most part. Alright everyone, this is the end result of the first part of the wash. Looking pretty good there. Like I said, that black paint hard to keep, or hard to clean. And make sure all the spots off of it, all that good stuff. Other parts so-so, it's okay. Yep. Like I said, no shine on the tires yet. We'll do that after the next wash. Maybe the road will be cleaned up by then. And we'll add that shine to the tires. Once you add the shine to the tires, that's gonna look real good. Yep. All right. So let me know what you think. Like, comment if you haven't, subscribe. More videos to come. I'm out.